Okay, we're going to work with mixed number to decimals. So this will be our first example, 1 and 4/5. What we're going to do, we're going to just pay our attention to the fraction. And we're going to split this mixed number into something like this. 1 plus and our fraction. We're going to work just with the fraction, changing it into a decimal. So the 5 that is our denominator will be outside and the 4 that is our numerator will be inside. So how many times does 5 fit on 4? None. So we're going to place here the 0 point or the decimal part, changing this 4 into 40. Now we're going to say how many times does 5 fit on 40? Fit 8 times. So 5 times 8 will be 40. We make the subtraction, we get 0. So we write again the 1 plus, change the 4/5 into 0.8 and then we add. So we're going to have this decimal. That means that 1 with 4/5 is equal to 1.8. Now let's see this one. So we're going to split again our expression to have 3 plus 5/8, and we're going to work just with the fraction. So that means that our 8 will be outside, our numerator will be inside, and we're going to have that expression. So how many times does 8 fit on 5? None. So we're going to write here 0 point, changing our 5 into 50. Now how many times does 8 fit on 50? 6 times. So 8 times 6 will be 48. That means that with that subtraction we're going to get here 2. Our 8 do not fit on 2, so we're going to change that 2 into 20. Now how many times does 8 fit on 20? 2 times, that will be 16, and we subtract to get here 4. How many times does 8 fit on 4? None. So we're going to change this 4 into 40, and we're going to say now how many times does 8 fit on 40? 5 times. So this will be 40 minus 40, 0. Now the fraction, this fraction will change to that decimal expression. So we're going to write here 3 plus 0.625. We add that to get here 3.625. Instead of 0, we're going to write here the whole number, the whole part, and that will be the decimal form of that fraction. With this example, we're going to make the same. We're going to divide the whole part of the fraction part to get that expression. We're going to work just with the fraction, and the denominator will be outside. The numerator will be inside. So how many times does the 4 fit on 3? None. So we're going to place here 0 point, changing this 3 into 30. How many times does 4 fit on 30? 7. So 4 times 7 will be 28. Right here the subtraction. We make the subtraction to get 2. The 4 do not fit on 2, so we're going to change the 2 into 20. And how many times does the 4 fit on 20? 5 times. That will be here also 20. We make the subtraction and we get 0. Now we're instead writing this fraction, we're going to write the decimal. So this will be the whole part that is 4 plus our 0.75. Then we add that, replacing the 0 with 4, so we're going to have here 4.75, like that.